Okay, I did it. I've officially applied to Valparaiso to be an admissions counselor. I really am hoping that this goes through, or at least that they'll contact me for an interview so I can at least try, because that would be awesome. It would just be really awesome. It's only been 4 days since the job has been posted. My thought is that they'll probably want to figure this out pretty soon, because I'm guessing that this is a position they want to have figured out by the beginning of the school year. And the beginning of the school year is August 26th. So as far as I know, there's less than a month to find an admissions counselor. So I'm gonna message my friend who is an admissions counselor there and tell him, hey, I just applied, wanted you to know. And hopefully I'll at least get a call for an interview and I can go in the next 2 weeks or so, because I'm assuming that they'll want to hire quickly, but we'll see. That would be a really awesome deal. It would be really, really awesome. It's amazing how, even though it's not even August yet, we're already losing so much light. I mean, it's not even 8:15 yet and it's dark outside. I mean, you can see in the camera the lights behind me, the car lights. Like, it's dark. Like, I didn't expect this to happen until September, and it's still technically July. I don't know. It's just weird, and it's very hard to come out of the gym to this kind of light because I'm tired. Anyway, good news from the gym. I ran, I don't know if it's technically running. Is an elliptical running? I mean, I think if you get in the right groove it is, but at the same time, like, it's harder for me to run on the treadmill than an elliptical. But I'm not like pushing with my arms on an elliptical, so I don't know, maybe it's just the way the machine's built. But anyway, so I ran 2 miles, or I did the elliptical 2 miles in 20 minutes, actually less than, so I'm running just under a 10-minute mile, which is exciting. I don't think I've been there for a while. And I almost ran 3 miles in 30 minutes, but I slowed down once I hit the 20-minute mark. However, when I say almost, I mean almost. Like, I ran 2 miles, 2.95 miles, so I was definitely getting there. I don't know if I really addressed it earlier, but I was feeling very depressed this morning. I was feeling depressed through most of the day, and I was still feeling pretty bad at the gym. I don't know, I'm not as bad as I was, but I'm still not great. Like, I know I'm not sad right now, but I'm not exactly happy either. I mean, it's really difficult to explain. I'm really, maybe anxious is the right word. I'm really anxious about the jobs I've applied for, because I knew I applied this morning, for God's sake, and I want to hear back. I mean, I'm just, you know, after talking with Mom and Cody and, you know, thinking a lot about it, it's just, this job is causing me so much stress, and they don't treat me right. And even though I do have a plan of action to either get out or, you know, ask for more money, it's really hard. It's really, really hard. I've also now discovered that turning on the lamp is actually a really nice thing for extra light, so yeah, at least for the camera to pick up, so that's always good. There's a train stopped on my normal route, so I'm gonna have to figure out a way to get around it. Thankfully, I'm starting to know my way around this area better, because I was able to find my way around the train. Yay! Because that's just really annoying that a train was stopped in the middle of the tracks on 2 different lights, so that's just frustrating because I want to go home. Anywho, I'm really asking for prayers. More than anything right now, I could just use a lot of prayers. Whether that's, and I say this all the time, but whether it's that Yvonne's gets better or something else happens, you know, something better comes along, I really would like some good news. I would really appreciate something good happening. that's not working out. Because, I mean, I guess my workout, good news, was good. I don't know if that means I'm improving or not, because I haven't really been keeping track, but hopefully it means I'm doing something right. I mean, I'd appreciate that.